Good morning, students. This is volume 9 of chapter matrices, and let me discuss exercise 3.4 of NCERT book. Exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Question 1 is find the inverse of the matrix A. The matrix A is given 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. By using elementary transformations. Here we will decide whether we are to solve this question by using row operations or column operations. First of all, we will have row operations. Okay. First of all, here we will write A equal to IA. A is 1 minus 1, 2, 3. And I will become identity matrix of the same order as it is A, and it will become 1 0 0 1, and we will write A as it is. Okay. Now see how we will do. In this question, we will see matrix A, and because we will have to convert this matrix into I, so first of all we will see this element. This should be 1. Okay, 1 here. Now this element, then this, then this. We will change this too. And how it will be changed? See, this is 2, this is 1. This is R1, this is R2. And we want here 0. And the 0 will become by 2 minus 2. It means we will apply here R2 change to R2 minus twice of R1. R2 minus twice of R1, and we will apply this operation here and here. Now see, we will change R2, so R1 as it is. In both the sides, R1 as it is, 1 0 into A. We will change R2 in both the sides, and R2 will become R2 minus 2 R1. See, 2 minus twice of 1, 0. And 3 minus twice of R1. This will become 3 plus 2, 5. And here 0 minus 2, minus 2. 1 minus 0, 1. This is our first operation. And now see, here we need here 0. This is minus 1, this is 5. How we will change this? See, R1 change to R1 plus 1 upon 5 R2. If we add this and 1 upon 5 of this, we will get 0. So we will apply this operation, and we will get in left hand side 0, 5. we will change R1. R1 1 plus 0 1 minus 1 plus 1 upon 5 into 5 minus 1 plus 1 0, and in right hand side also minus 2 1, and here R1 1 plus 1 upon 5 into minus 2, and this will become 1 minus 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, and this 0 plus 1 upon 5 into 1, 0 plus 1 upon 5 into 1, and this will become 1 upon 5, A. Okay. Now we will make this 1. We want here 1. And if we divide R2 by 5 or we multiply R2 by 1 upon 5, this won't be changed. We will keep in our mind now this, they won't be changed. Otherwise, we can't do the question complete. So apply here R2 change to 1 upon 5 R2, and this will become 1 0, 1 upon 5 into 0 0, 1 upon 5 into 5 1, and same operation will be applied in right hand side. R1 same, minus 2 into 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, and 1 into 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5 into A, and this is I. So from here we got I equal to BA. If I say this matrix B, BA, and B is inverse of A, therefore A inverse equal to, A inverse is this, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, and 1 upon 5. This is A inverse. Now if we are applying rows column or rows operations or column operations, and after applying one or two operations, if any row or any column becomes 0, then we will say that inverse of this matrix does not exist. See one question of this type. Let me discuss question number 14. Question number 14. Matrix A is given 2 1 4 2. 2 1 4 2. Find the inverse of this matrix. I will be 1 0 0 1, and here we will start A equal to IA. A is 2 1 4 2 equal to I 1 0 0 1 into A. We will convert this into I, and we will start the operations. Okay. Here we want to make 0. How it will become 0? 4 minus 4 0. It means if we apply here R2 change to R2 minus 2R1. Then this will become R2, 4 minus 4, 0, and 2 minus 1 into 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Here also 1, 0, R2 minus 2, R1, 0 minus 2, minus 2, and 1 minus 0, 1. Now here after applying one operation, we got R2, 0. R2, all elements of R2 became 0, and therefore inverse of matrix A does not exist. We will write this. Now these are the questions of order 2 by 2 up to question number 14. All questions are of order 2 by 2. You will have to solve these questions. Now we will discuss the questions of order 3 by 3. Question number 15. Question number 15. Matrix A is given of order 3 by 3, and this is 2 minus 3, 3, 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 2, and I will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. We will have to find out the inverse of this matrix by using elementary transformations. So we will start the question A equal to IA. 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. A equal to I, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. First of all, we will make this 0, 2, 0. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 3, 1. We will make it 1. So apply here R1 change to R1 plus R2 minus R3. R1 plus R2 minus R3. This is R1, R2, R3. We will change only R1. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 3, 1. Minus 3 plus 2 and minus means plus 2. This will become plus 2 plus 2, 4 minus 3, 1. 3 plus 3, 6 minus 2, 4. 2, 2, 3 and 3 minus 2, 2. The same operation will be applied in right hand side. R1 change to R1 plus R2 minus R3. 1 plus 0 minus 0, 1. 0 plus 1 minus 0, 1. 0 plus 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. Okay. And now we will apply. We will change this. Make this 1. 2 minus 2. It means R2 minus 2 R1. And this 3 minus 3. R3 minus 3 R1. We will apply these operations now. Apply R2 change to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 change to R3 minus 3R1, R3 minus 3R1, and we will get, first of all we will change R2. It means R1 as it is 1, 1, 4. R2 minus twice of R1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. And 3 minus 8, minus 5. Now change R3. R3 minus 3R1. 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 2 and minus 3, minus 5. And 2 minus 12, 4 into 3, minus 10. And in this side also, R1 as it is 1, 1, minus 1. R2 change to R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 0 plus 1, no sorry, R2 minus 2R1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 0 plus 2, 2. Now R3 minus 3R1. R3 minus 3R1. 0 minus 3, minus 3. 0 minus 3, minus 3. And 1 minus minus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Now see here, we need here 1 and we got here 0. So first of all we will make this 1 and we will make this 1. So we can change here R2 change to minus 1 upon 5 R2. This will become 1. And R3 change to minus 1 upon 5 R3. This will become 1. And the matrix will become 1, 1, 4. 0, 0, 1. Minus 1 upon 5 into 5, 1. 0. Minus 1 upon 5 into 5, 1. And minus 1 upon 5 into minus 10, 2. The same operation in right hand side. 1, 1, minus 1. This will become 2 upon 5. This will become 1 upon 5. And minus 2 upon 5. Multiply by minus 1 upon 5 to R2. And multiply by minus 1 upon 5 to R3. This will become 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5 into A. And now change these. R2 change to R3 and R3 change to R1. We will get 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. And same in right hand side. 1, 1, minus 1. 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Minus 4 upon 5. 2 upon 5. 1 upon 5. minus 2 upon 5. And now we will make this 2 0 so that they won't be changed. So we will apply here R2 change to R2 minus 2R3, and this will become, we will change only R2 1 1 4, R2 change to R2 minus 2R3, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 2 0, and the rest 0 0 1, and in right hand side also same, 1 1 minus 1, R2 change to R2 minus 2 R3, 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5 minus 1 upon 5, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 1 upon 5, and minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 0, and 2 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. And now we will change this 4. R1 change to R1 minus 4R3. This will become 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 4 minus 4 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1, and same here, R1 minus 4R3, 1 minus 8 upon 5 4R3, this will become minus 3 upon 5, 1 minus 4 upon 5, this will become 1 upon 5, and minus 1 plus 8 upon 5, this will become 3 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 0, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 5, and minus 2 upon 5. And now we will make this 0. So we will apply here R1 change to R1 minus R2. This will become 0. So this will become 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1, and here R1 minus R2 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 0, and 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0, 2 by 5 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5. So here we got, this is I equal to, this is B into A, and therefore this B is inverse of A. Hence A inverse is this matrix, minus 2 by 5 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0, 2 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. This is A inverse. So like this we will find out inverse the remaining questions you are to do yourself. Thank you very much.